Hey, all you stupid losers playing other stupid video games. I have Chicken Little on the Game Boy Advance. It was either this or I play. This sounds like Crash Bandicoot music on the Game Boy. What the hell? This really does. Wait, this actually sounds like music from Crash Bandicoot on the game. Wait, what? I downloaded the wrong one. Oops. Well, guess we're playing Chicken Little in Japanese. Oops. Uh,
Chicken Little, the best anime of all time!
that means, loading your video game. Would you like to play as Chicken Little, a ball, or Kirby? I guess we're playing as Chicken Little. Oh my. I swear they ripped this music. I can't think of an actual, but I've played a couple of the Crash games on the Game Boy Advance. But hey. Hey, Dad! Why am I taller than you?
Shut the fuck up, son!
Okay. Peter, I can't believe you're Chicken Little. Oh, gee whiz, Lois. I'm sorry I turned into Chicken Little. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, here I am. In a kitchen that's my ghost. What was the... Oh, it's supposed to... Okay, well, thanks, dead twin brother. I'll always remember you. Wow, I always love being on... Every good game also lets you wave dash. Yes. Dad, why'd you put acorns in the room? It makes money sounds. You know, I'm probably gonna stop ad-libbing all this because all it reminds me of is Mike Matei's Elmo in Grouchland video, which I just watched. I don't know where I've been. I don't know what rock I've been living under, but I watched it, and holy crap, it's something else. I'll say that much. I was not expecting the review to be incredibly. Oh my god, is that a kangaroo? No, someone's not gonna be happy when I do this. But that video was super, like. Oh, okay. A Ness! He even has the glasses and stuff. Oh, okay. Look, it's melee. But back to Mike Matei. He is. I think he's a very talented person. I'll say that much. But there's just something about that video that just really irked me. And it's probably because he probably didn't get James to look over the script and be like, hey, my best friend, is this okay to release to the public? And James would have been like, no. So, but he did it anyways. And the scariest thing about it is the review starts at daytime, and then when it cuts to him after he watches like some Bert and Ernie like for like a few seconds, it's suddenly nighttime. And I shouldn't assume anything, but it almost feels like he actually watched the movie and spent hours trying to think of something funny to say. And what he came up with is ow. What he came up with was ow. Are you kidding me? I'm actually Crash Bandicoot. I'm Crash and Ness. But anyone wants to go watch it and you haven't watched it, well, for one, it's not as quotable as an Inspector Gadget. I'll say that much. It's well, I guess this is where my journey ends, isn't it? Maybe there's something I wasn't doing. Okay. Ah! Dad! How about this? How about I actually watch... Let me go on YouTube and... maybe somebody has a video of Chicken Little on the Game Boy Advance, so I can figure out what I'm doing. And there's probably someone out there who's the best Chicken Little for the Game Boy Advance player of all time. And yep, listening to this music really does give me Crash Bandicoot GBA vibes. And there actually are plenty of videos. Holy crap. Thank you! Oh no. I mean, does it really matter if I go back to play this game? Yes. Yes, it does. Ah! Frick! Shut up! No. No! Make it. No! Okay. Okay, I'm at where he is. It turns out I got there faster than he did. What other things can Chicken Little do? What? Can I... Okay, I'll give him that. That is pretty clever. You can shoot in any direction you want, even when you're jumping. That's a more reliable weapon than I was expecting. Maybe if I... Okay. Wait. So I guess I gotta go back? Let's see. Let's see what happens if I do that. Go! Chicken Little! Me on the way when she says my parents aren't home. Wait. Wait a second. What in the heck? Oh, maybe I haven't hit all the... Oh. Okay, I see. I didn't do everything. Uh-oh. Wait, it did. Well, freak it!